Hello everyone, welcome to part 3, and now I am on a red team. Look at this, you guys. I'm on red team. So let's get this out anyway, and we're just gonna go down here. All right, so let's oh, who got the flag? Who got yellow team flag? What the heck? All right, so oh, that's green team. All right, we got to try to kill him. All right. So, oh shoot, oh shoot. All right, wait, why is my skin turning? Like what the heck? All right. So, then you have change team, so you can change the team. Which is if you hit confirm team, you can do that. So if you hit confirm team, you can change team like green, yellow, red, blue. You can do that and then confirm switch. And remember we talked about this yesterday. The shop thing where you like get the shop, get like the first aid and all of that. Like that's pretty cool. But anyways, let's get ready to play. And guys, look at this, you guys. So if you guys did not see the hole, look at it. This is so alright. So as you guys can see, this hole is so big. And oh my gosh, who is that? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Alright. So we need to try to like get past this. This is like so weird. And who's that? Alright. I just know. Oh, he got like this hammer thing. What the? Alright. We need to try to kill him. Alright. So that girl got stuck in the knife. Did you guys see that? That girl got stuck in the knife. Like. Alright. So we need to try to like get past this because this is gonna freaking take forever. Alright. So if you guys don't know, this is gonna be like a short part 3 of the Underground War 3. So yeah. So oh gosh, we need to try to steal a yellow team flag. Remember? All right. So we need to try to steal the flag and yup. And I just died right now. So as you guys can see, all right, we need to freaking steal the freaking. All right. So anyways, so all right. Oh, who's that? Oh shoot. All right. So all right. We need to try. Let's try to this is our flag, so you like can guard the flag. So you can't currently pick it up because I'm like in red team. So yeah. Red team is really not that bad, but you just like die a lot. But it's I regret. It's okay. Actually. But wait. Who's that? Oh, who's that in our team? Shoot. Oh shoot. All right, we need to kill this girl. All right. What is she trying to do? Oh, she's red team. I forgot, you guys. She's red team. All right. Anyways, let's try yellow team. Probably somebody's in yellow team. And yep, the flag is gone, and green team's flag has been returned. So we need to try. Oh, I see somebody. Who in the world just killed me, you guys? Like what the heck? All right. So here's yellow team. This is where you spawn at. I like when they put like this thing. Like that's pretty so cool. So anyway, so it says 2-player Christmas tycoon. I'll probably play that when it's like Christmas. But anyways, we're gonna try to see if we can get past this, like get at least one flag, and yeah. So let's try blue team. Yup, somebody killed me, so I couldn't really get it because y'all freaking killing somebody. But anyways, we need to try like let's go back in blue team and try and see if we can get that flag. Is it there? Oh shoot! Yes, it's there. All right, let's get it. Yeah, we got it. We got the blue team flag. Yes. All right. All we need to do is try to get past it. Oh shoot, who's that? Who's that? Alright, I got their flag, as you guys can see. I got their flag. Look at this, you guys. Nobody's even coming. Look at this. Alright, we try to like, oh, this boy just killed me right now. But guys, did you see that? I just got the flag. This is so crazy. Alright, so anyways, let's see. Yellow team. Oh shoot, it's a girl in there. But anyways, but she can really go in our team because this is green team. This is supposed to be green team. But we're gonna I'm just gonna go out of green team because anyways, you're gonna just like get killed. And then yellow team you will. Yes, this girl has to get this flag. Like, alright, so anyways, so as you guys can see, the points. So this is the points. So oh, this green team got a lot of points, and this is ours. No, this is our points, and yellow team got 900, which is that's pretty not bad. But let's see. This is a big hole, and this is pretty big. Look at this, guys. This is so big. All right, so put. Yo, who's killing me? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! All right. I don't even know why this girl is even here. Is she supposed to be here? Like, what the heck? All right, we got their flag. Yes, let's go. Let's go. All right. So we got their flag, you guys. This is so good. Oh shoot! Oh no, their flag is returned again. All right, green team has won the game. Wait, what? How? This is so weird. All right. Let me try to see if I could like get their flag. And their flag is not there. Somebody already got their flag. So yeah. So this girl should get killed by this this team, like red team, because she's trying to kill me. Like, I'm just gonna like kill her or something, like get the flag. I think she just wants to own the flag or something. I don't really know, but so alright, so we're gonna try to go to yellow team. Oh shoot! Alright, let's see green. Is somebody in green? Oh, somebody's in green. Alright, so wait, yellow team has captured red team's flag. Like, what the heck, you guys? Alright, let's see. Blue team's flag is back. Alright, oh shoot, nope. Alright, so we need to try, like, let's go to shop. Can we like buy anything? Like, let's see, rocket launcher. We can't really buy the rocket launcher. It's only like 120 Robux, and this only lasts like 3 days. So anyways, we need to try, like, wait, who's that girl right there? Alright, this girl's like pretty new to this game. I think she's new to the game. Yeah, I think she's new to the game. But yup, I killed that girl. Alright, we need to kill this girl. Alright. I think this girl forgot that I'm red team anyway. But anyways, let's wait, wasn't that girl just like kill me or something? Like, what the heck? Alright, let's see, let's see, wait, so if we try to like go to like blue team, this is so weird, you guys. Alright, so let's try to get their blue team flag again, and there we go, we got their flag. Alright, so oh shoot, somebody's coming in. Oh shoot. Oh no, how do I get out of here, you guys? Wait, where's she going? Alright, I know, at least I know where she's going. Oh shoot. I don't even know what to do, you guys. Like, oh shoot, she's coming that way. Oh shoot. Alright. We need to try to get out of here, you guys. Alright. Yep, their flag has been returned. It's right there. So we couldn't really get their flag. Like, what the heck? Alright. Anyways, let's try red team, because I'm trying to like steal these flags. Cause I just like stealing their flags. Like, oh, I don't think we can steal that. I'm on like red team. All right, I kind of want to switch teams, but I don't, you know, but anyways, let's see. Yep, somebody killed me right here. Yo, why y'all freaking killing? Like, what the heck? All right, so at least we got like let's see. Red team. This is our red team flag. So if somebody gets our flag, oh my gosh, who is that? Who's that? Who's that?